Boy, it's a rainy morning. It's been raining hard for about 6 hours. Slow up around 10 o'clock. It's around 9 o'clock. I only got an 8-mile hike into Nature's Inn, so it's a good thing because I'll be definitely wet by the time I get there. But I'm just gonna have some nice breakfast here at the Laurel Hostel. Well, it started to rain again. It just stopped for about 10 minutes. It's 11 o'clock. It's supposed to be kind of a pause until 2, so that'll give me enough time to get to Nature's Inn. Let's go climb 1,600 feet and then 600 and then down into the gap. Lots of rain. Walking in the fog, almost to the top of this climb out. At the top, Fog City. It's one of those mornings that I just feel really comfortable. Climbing easily. I'm barely breathing hard. My heart rate climbing is probably 90. I mean, just some days it's just easy. Even though the weather's not great. Just some days you're just very content. And it helps to know I've got a short day and a cabin waiting for me and hot coffee. That's such a wuss. But it's nice to not pound yourself every day. You don't have to pound yourself every day. You know, you can kick back, and I plan on kicking back a lot. As I say, my style is to walk a long way quickly and then rest. No views today. No money shots. So at a thing called Rice Gap. Not much here. They say it's an ATV trail. I don't know about that either. So up to Hog Back Shelter for a snack and then a little bit more. This is only a 600-foot climb. And then down. Well, you probably can't see it, but it's starting to snow. Little flakes here and there. Heavy and wet snow. So at the Hogback Shelter, which I can't quite see, but 2.4 miles to Sam's Gap, a little bit more climbing. The weather's turning a little bit more crappy, so time to get out of here. Coming up on Sam's Gap, boy, that's a busy road. Holy cow. Mud.
It's on cooking and cleaning and laundry and all that anyway, so it's just...
So this is the storeroom. And in the just freezer, they've got like different kind of things you can buy. Dinners, Jimmy Dean's, burritos. Another fridge over here that you can access for condiments and that kind of thing. Pabst beer, $3.
Big old lake there.
Keurig coffee. That's mine. Perry Mason. So this is the cabin. Cute little enclosed porch. Screened in. Look at that. Adorable. It's kind of small, but you know, hey. So, bed. It's a bunk bed. But it's warm. It's got a nice fan. So that'll do it for today. Good night.